This is Johnston and Activity 10-3, Logging Performance Data. And there's my video right there for CIS 225. And we have our performance monitor open. And what they want us to do is we're going to expand our data collector sets right here. And we're going to click Event Trace Sessions, so it shows everything right there. And then click User Defined, it shows nothing in here. And we're going to right click User Defined and click New, go to Data Collector Set. And we're going to call it CPU and Disk Logging. And then we're going to click Next. And then our next step is we're going to click Basic. Click Next. Accept the root directory that it puts here. So Basic Next there. And then the Open Properties for its data collector set. Click Finish. And then here, we're just going to look through the tabs real quick. So you see the General tab right here. And here's the Directory tab. And we have a Stop Condition tab right here. And we're going to click OK. And we're going to expand User Define, which is expanded right here. And basically you're going to click your CPU and disk logging, and right here in Performance Counter, you're going to click Properties for it. You're going to basically right click that. Click Add. And then we're going to go up to Physical Disk right here. When you put that arrow down, it pretty much adds everything to the physical disk right there. So it selects all of them basically. Then you actually have to add it in. So click Add. And then click OK. And then also click OK again. So it shows processor and physical disk here. And then we're going to click on User Defined. It's right here. You notice that it says Stop right there. And we're going to right click CPU and disk logging, click Start. And it's got to wait a minute for it to complete its little logging scenario there. Usually takes just about a minute. When this goes green right here, you'll know that it's done doing what it needs to do there for the logging. And basically we're going to go up to Performance Monitor right here. And right here it says View Log Data, so we're going to be clicking on that one. And right here it says Log Files. You're going to click Add. Open up Admin here. And double click CPU and Disk Logging. And double click this folder here. And then click on performancecounter.blg, which it looks just like performance counter depending on how you have it set up. And then we're going to click on time range. And we're going to click on the data tab next. And we don't have any counters here, so we're basically going to click Add. And what we'll do is we'll expand the physical disk here. So click on a little arrow there. And we're just going to do percent idle time. So right there. Click Add, so it'll only add that one attribute. And then we're also, instead of just doing just a physical disk, we're going to do the processor. And we're going to do the same exact thing. So we're just going to highlight that one only, and then click Add. And we're going to click OK over here. OK. And basically you can see in the lines here which one's which. The green one is processor and the red one is the physical disk. And if we click the plus bar here, You can expand the physical disk. And basically it shows that everything in here that's highlighted was stuff that was actually logged in that last activity we just did right now. And that's everything.